Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Yes, it's weekend. In the weekend edition, let me show you the weekend edition of October the 12th, 2024. Saturday, October the 12th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku with 3 stars. I will solve this in a minute. And for tomorrow evening, Samurai Sudoku, regular puzzle. But in today's newspaper, we have lots of good news because we have only one puzzle page, no additional. We have a puzzle page here with 6 extra puzzles, 2 stars, 4 star Sudoku, killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the tectonic. No additional. Let me show you. Yeah, no additional. So I will solve 4 out of 6. Yeah, 6 puzzles in the puzzle page. I will solve 4 of them, not all, because those are the easy ones. Okay, enough. Let me start with the Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku, this will be number 9425. 9425. I need to position the camera first. Okay, 9425. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Well, a 3 stars puzzle has always 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, the publishers indicated with a 3 stars puzzle, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. The question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number. Oh, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in the third row, so no 4 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, the 4 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to. Nope. We have 1 9 left. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in that row, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then let me see. 4 there, okay. Yeah. 1 1. How about need a 3 here, need a 3 there. The 1 here. Need an 8 here. 7 there. I'm thinking. 6, 6. 6, 6. 1, 2, need a 3, need a 4. 4, 4, I need a 7 here. Alright. Come on. Need a 9 there, 9. Need a 9 here. Need 2 there. I need 2, 4. Need a 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, and the 8. Yeah. 2, 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing. Well, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. We have 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. 2 and 2 2 and 7 here. How about 2, 7? Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this one, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 4 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 4 there. 2, 7. 7 and 3. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so it'll come next. Only place level the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So the 4 and 8 are left. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, on the last column, no, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row from the first row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 in the row below, no 3 there, only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 3. How about the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 7. Then the 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column, so the first column only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Alright, 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places level the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then need an 8. And I need a 2. And I need a 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Here also 2 and the 8 are missing in the third row. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can't see this number 4, number 1. 1 box left now in the first column for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 2 and the 6 are left in the last column. 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, we solved again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles in the puzzle page. So, have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.